writing here, view is what? View is a logical, okay, is a logical table or relation in a database. This summary of the points so far we have seen. Like create a table, we can create a view. So what is the command? So the command will be the create a table. But before creating table, let me know which table I should use. Okay, which table I should use for the view purpose, or the view must be created of the which table. So customer, employee, offices, order details, order payment, product line, and products. So you can use any table if you want to use, and you want to create any other table, then you can also create. It's up to you. So tell me which table I should use, or should I create any other table for explaining purpose? Hmm. Yes, tell me now. What should I do?
So go with offices.
Offices, okay, we can go, but since this is a predefined exit information we are having, so it is better idea to create a new table and explain the concept with the table. Why I'm saying over here, because we can update the we can update the information of the offices. Then whenever we need to check again, so definitely actual data will be updated. And these are the sample information. So we have, it is better idea to create a new table. Okay, so I'm creating new table, create a table. So first create a table, and I'm creating a student table because in this database we don't have a student table. So right now I'm creating table student, create table student. Okay, so what are the various attributes I want to use? Please tell me. Create a table name. Okay, and what is syntax? Just please let me know. Just please let me know. Do you remember do you remember the point? How to create a table?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now tell me.
So create table name. Then inside the parenthesis, we will give the values that we want to use in our table as attribute.
Okay, so I'm writing. See, so I'm taking the few information, roll number, or registration number, name. Okay, that is a S name because no S name where care, and next one is DOB. So you can use a DOB. So date of birth. Okay, and that should be date type. Okay, I think that's enough. Let me execute. I'm not creating any primary key or foreign key because it is not required to need not to explain the primary key. There's no need to do. Okay. So let us create this table. Now see it is being created or not. Now this table is created in our relation. So after refreshing from the left side, you can see at the last student table is created. It is visible to all. I think so. Am I right? It is visible to all.
Sir.
Okay, so first, what is our responsibility? We should insert something over here. And what is syntax? Insert into table name student, and the values I'm taking over here. What is the value? And roll number, that is 1234, and name I'm just taking ABC, and date of birth I'm just choosing 2408 something 2000 something like this one. Okay. Okay, let us insert this record. Okay, so this should be okay, and this should be in different pattern, I think so. Like 08. Is it correct format we are using right now? Date format, is it? I think this is a date format, or I think it is uh, AUZ. I think this is the format we have to use. Is this a correct date values? Why it's showing over here? Okay, okay. The syntax. What is the syntax? You remember? I think I'm remembering the syntax. There is a YYY 2000, and month, that is 8 and 24. Yes. Now, so the syntax, yes, we have the date format, that is a YYY MMMDD. So this is the first record we have inserted. Just I'm copying the same syntax over here and just doing some changes over here, and we'll do some changes over here. We'll do some changes here, and we'll do more some changes here. See, there are the 5 records. Student values will be the 456, 234, 786, and again 123. I'm also taking the same, and here I'm just taking the XYZ. Here I'm taking the MOP, and I'm just taking the AFD something. Just I'm putting only, and next we have the QWE, and here I'm just taking the date 4 2 9. Here I'm taking the 10 instead of this one, so I'm just choosing this date 14. Okay, so one, and here we have the 2 once again. Let me execute all this query. So okay, all these are records are inserted over here. Now there is no issue, and after that I just need to check. See, syntax select star from student. Okay, why we have the 2 records? So UV ABC and U. Okay, let me execute once again to all the this ABC is inserted and WQ okay inserted. So let me insert. This is inserted. This MOPS was not there, so let me execute. And this EFT was not there, so let me execute. Finally, we have some data. Yes, now finally we got the data. Now, is it clear to all? How what data we have? Is it clear to all? Right now, tell me, is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we are creating a view from student table. So what is the syntax? As I told you, the syntax was very simple. Create a view. So create a view. What was syntax? If you remembered from my previous classes, as we know, create a view and view name. What is the view name you want to take? So I'm just taking the view name. Very simple. In very simple. That is a create view name. So std view. Okay, and here I'm just need to put the syntax as a keyword select. Okay, from this relation what you want to select? You want to select entire relation, entire data, or you want to choose only limited data? So first tell me if you want to choose limited data or you want to put the entire data for view purpose. Yes, please tell me. Create view, steady view as a select. Please tell me, you want to select limited data or entire data?
So limited.
So limited, and just tell me which information you want to put over here.
So date of birth, third column.
Date of birth only, that's sufficient.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can choose date of birth, create a view, std view as select date of birth from what is the table name? Student. Okay, student. Okay, there is a condition, date of birth should be greater than, less than, or equal to. Please tell me. If you want to put the condition, then you can put else all the domain which belong to the DOB attribute, which will be those will be inserted into the our view, and that will be the part of the our view, that is study view. Okay, let me execute this query. Or any doubt in this query, please tell me.
No, sir.
No doubt.
Okay, so I'm executing over here now. See, So at the last you can see zero row affected. It means it is executed perfectly. And after executing this point, if I try to rerun once again, then a message will be given at the bottom side. You can read over there is a table std view already existed. Okay. So now this is the point. So what I need to do, I need to select all the records from std view. If I'm just trying to see all the result of the std table or view, then I can see only the dob is coming. So view is created. Now is it clear to all?
Yes, sir, clear.
So this is a syntax which
Sir,
is
I have doubt.
yes, please
Sir,
tell
I have
me.
doubt. Sir,
Yes,
if
sir.
I want to the view of those students who have born in October, for example. So, what is the query for that?
October, actually October you're talking about.
October 2020.
October 2020.
20.
Okay, so the query you can just write a query. So what is the query? First, let us check this one. Select star from student. First, let us explain this query. Select star from student where dob uh, is equal to, and you need to put the conditions. Okay, and you need to put the October only. You want to put the condition only, just let me know. Only October, you want to only the October only, you do not want to give the any specified date. You just want to, the range should be October only. So we can just update this query. Select the star from student where dob between between and what is the 2000 comma October, then 01, then and 2000 and 10 month and 31st. So this is my query. From 1st October to 31st October the student was born, and then student will be displayed only the such information. Now let us check. Only the one student is coming over here, that is 24th October. Okay, instead of doing so, if I want to just give a range only the August month, so let me take the value October to August, and I can see over here now only the one student is coming over here. So that is meeting our criteria. Okay, so now I can see. Now is it clear to you right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is a range, but I want to create a view. I want to create a view since this is the I'm getting data from the table only right now. Okay, this is my point. But I want to create a view which belong to the only the my student data. So just let me write a query. Okay, what is I'm writing over here? Create a view. Create a view of the student who have day dob um, in in a month of in a month of August, October. You want to take, just let me check. Uh, no month is repeating. Okay, so no month is repeating. So I just want to give only the one value. So date of birth in the month of April. So this is my point. I want to create a view of the student. I want to create a view of the student from student table. Okay, just let me create from student relation or table who have date of birth in the month of the April. So it's very simple query. We can update. But since student view is already created, if I try to create a student view, just let me create this table. Create view stdb. Just let me correct this point. Uh, stdb view from student and as a, so as a select star not select dob from student where dob dob between 2001 04 01 and 2000, this one and 30th. Okay, so this is my simple query. Is it clear to you right now?
Sir, there is a error in line number 23.
Yes, yes,
Please check
I
the
am.
spelling of from.
Yes, yes, I checked it. Now it is correct. Create. Oh, wait, let me put the semicolon. So create a view, student view. Okay, now why I'm getting the error? Can anyone tell me? Yes, please tell me why I'm getting the error. I think create view name from sorry, this from student will not come. Sorry, this one. Actually, I just need to correct this point. Yes. Now is it correct? Yes. Now as we can write now this point. Now actually from table name will not come. So create view table name and create view name as from which table you want to pick. Now this is syntax. Now tell me, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
yes, I'm creating a view as a study view as a data. I'm taking the filter away, so I'm just picking. There's no issue. If I try to run this query now, what will happen? The study view already exists. Okay, the student view, study view is already available. So we are getting there. Is it better idea to replace this view, or you can rename, or you can put any other view name. So for doing so, if you remember the things, I just want to replace, replace. So instead of the create, I can use replace keyword if the existing view the in any view is existed or available, and that is to be replaced. Okay. So I think so let me check. It is why we are getting the error over here again. A replace view again. This will not. Just let me.
Sir, it
Uh,
should be replace or create.
no, no. Only the one word available over here. You can use a create or replace. Both is not possible. Since
Okay, sir.
let me check create or let me check create or replace. Yes, this is the point. Okay, now this is the correct one. So if now we are creating the std view, if it is available, then it will replace. Okay, now since as we know std view is already available. Okay, let me execute this query again. Now it is correctly executed. So what I'm doing, the above query, okay, above query will replace the exist existed std view information. Okay, so now I have the std view which has been updated by my command. So let me check once again this one std view. See, now I'm getting only one information which are meeting to the my criteria, that is the student date of birth should be month of the April. So we have the this value only because one record is meeting to our condition. You can see over here what value we have inserted, only this value. Okay, so this is the point. So this is the view we have created by using the selectable view. This is known as the selectable view. Okay, so this is known as the selectable view. Selectable view. Yes, tell me, is it clear to you right now? Just tell me, any doubt so far?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is the one kind of the view we have seen. Now next we have the updatable view. If we create a view and via the command of the updatable point or by the command of the insert or what we want to do, we can update. Now is it possible or not? So let us check this point once again. So std view belong to the student relation student table, so we can see. So now we have the next point. So I want to tell you, and that is we have the updatable view. Okay, so let us check this point once again. It's a simple query. Just let me remark this point as a. Now select star from uh, select star from the student. See, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there are the 5 different tuples. We have 5 different records. We have okay, and each and every record is just we have the information in different ways. There is no issue. Registration number we are having the duplicacy. There is no issue right now, but we are not putting the primary key or any kind of the key. Just we are assuming the information on which we are applying the view concept. Now, is it clear to all right now? Tell me how many records we have? Only total are there are total 5 records. Okay, 5 rows we have. Okay, and from this command you can see select star from std view. Okay, so you will have only here only the one row. Yes. See, that is belong to the only DOB attributes. If you want to update, if you want to do something, then it is not possible. So this is the my point. So for understanding more details, let us create a new view for explaining purpose. So I'm just creating another view for understanding purpose. So let us create a new view, and that is a create a view that is a HD uh, UP. Okay, HD UP view. This is the new that is updatable view as a select all from student where where uh, RN is equal to 123. Okay. Yes, now create std view as we have now. What is the conditions we have over here? What is the problem we are having here? No problem. I have selected from the student create view. Okay, just I forget the view keywords. So this is the syntax. Now I'm creating new view that is std up view. So let me create. Now it is created. Let me check the structure, or let me check the total number of the record which is continuing by the std view. So by this command I can see select all from std up view. Now I'm getting 2 records. Now is it clear to all right now? I will use this view
Yes, sir.
for I will use this view for updating or inserting some information. Okay. Now one by one. First I want to insert into the my actual record. Okay, I want to insert. See, I want to insert into what is the name of the view, that is insert in std up view. Okay, and values. So what are the fields I have? Roll number. So insert, I'm just inserting uh, 99, and name I'm just taking the uh, KKKK 4 times, and date of birth I'm just choosing only 2 2020. Current data I'm taking for explaining purpose, and see. If I try to execute this query, now std view is only the view, and that is not a actual table. If I try to do so now, what will be happen? So let us check this point. See, one record is affected. One record is inserted from the my view to table. So what is happening over here? One record will be inserted by view to table. Okay. So let me check the select star from std view, std up view, sorry, std up view. See, one record will be added inserted by view to table. Is it updatable or not? So let us check through the student edition student. But at the last you can see the in a table it is added, but in the view it is not showing. Why? Yes, please tell me. Yes, any other reason, student? Why it is not updating by the view? Why it is showing by only table only? Just please tell me.
Because sir, we added this tuple in a student view, not in a student table.
Okay, this is a good point. Actually, we are updating the our table. We are inserting a record by a view only, and view is only the view we have created view, that is std up view, and that is followed by only the condition, that is only the select star from the table where roll number should be 123. So the view will display only those information which is meeting to the our criteria, that is a view only. We are not displaying all the information from the view. So this is a restriction we have done. So once view is defined, that will be as it is. So no modification will be done into the view. But rest of the thing we want to update through the view to table, we can do. So at the time, this view is known as the updatable view. Now is it clear to all? And this is also known as the insertable view. So this is the best example for the insertable view. Okay. So it is also possible we can say this is known as the updatable view or insertable view. And I'm writing here insertable view. Now, is it clear to you all right now? Yes, please tell me
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt. Student relation or table will be updated by one record, one record. Okay. Now, is it clear to all right now? Any doubt so far? Please tell me. Is it clear to all? We can insert anything. What we want to do, we can do. Yes. Can we move to the next syntax?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I'm just want to let me have the select star from student. Okay, if I'm see, okay, that is 999 value we have. I just want to update roll number 999 to some other values. Okay, let us check this point. See, by the view, I want to update 999 to by some triple different value like 000 or triple eight, something different values. So let us check it is possible or not. Update, what value I want to update? Now tell me. Update, what is the syntax? Update std up view, std update view. Okay, and set rn equal to, if I do the triple eight, then auto all the information will be updated. But I just want to rn will be updated where rn equal to uh, 999. Okay, let us see this query, and now what would be updated? See, so what is happening over here with this command? By this view, studio std up view, we are updating rn triple eight, or setting the value roll number value triple eight by triple nine to triple eight. So let us check this point. So how we can check? Of course, by just by applying the this syntax. Now see, is it not affected so far? Now tell me where was the problem? Where was the problem? Just tell me where was the problem? We have not updated. Yes, please tell me where was the problem? We have not updated so far. if I do where are is not is equal to doing so let us check this query. So two rows will be affected over here. So let me execute this query now. Now see. Now see this result and now see the previous result. Why the previous work is not done and why this is work done? Just tell me the answer. Or should I tell you answer right now? Please tell me. Should I tell you or is it clear to all? Yes, student, please tell me. You have to reply over here.
Sir, can
So
you show
in
the query?
Okay. Why this time the RN will be updated by 1232888. But in the previous my query now above the cursor you can see the previous query was executed successfully but not updated any information. That is the reason I'm asking. Yes, tell me.
sir, in view table, there
Yes.
was no roll number with 999, so it did
This
not.
yeah, this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer in the view std up view. We don't have any roll number equal to 999. So okay, we don't have any view. So that's why. So so it was not update any information into student table. Okay, this student table. This is my point. Okay, and here what is happening? I'm just want to update the information of the all those student, all the student roll number. Okay, and student roll number will be updated by 28. But What is happening over here? You can see here. Just let me write over here. Here, the roll number equal to 123 R 3 as a part of the std view up view std up view. So above query will update the entire entire mm, entire roll number y triple eight. So and std up view affects the only those uh, rows those rows data that matches with row number equal to 123. Now this is clear to all right now? Yes, I have written over here. Now is it clear to all right now why we have not updated the information and why next time it is updated? Yes, tell me, is it clear to you all right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us execute the another query, and that is belong to the delete. Okay, that is belong to the delete. Since like insert update, we can also delete some part of the our view. Let us execute. Okay, now it's time to delete some data from view. Okay. Now I'm just writing the simple query. So let me show me the output once again. Select star from student. So we can see now everything will be over here. Again, we have the same 6 number of records. Now there is no issue. After executing this query, if I try to execute my query for the student view, so let us check once again. S2 std uh, update view. Now again we have no information. Okay, because why we don't have any information? Now tell me why we don't have any information from this command. My question is why we don't have any rows. This is my question. Now tell me why we don't have any information. Yes, please. Any student who want to tell me, please tell me. Because no roll number belong to Rn equal to 1 2 3, and was that value was used to to create to create std view. So this is the reason. Now, is it clear to right now why we don't have any record in the study view? Because the 1 2 3 record is updated, and in the actual table we don't have any roll number that is 1 2 3. So now it is taking just kind of the reference we are having from the actual table. Now we don't have such information, and so definitely no information will be displayed over here. Now, is it clear to you all? Yes, tell me, any doubt? Yes, please tell me, any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes, any doubt? No doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now delete from. I just want to delete some record, and those belong to the 888 roll number. I just want to delete only those information which belong to the 888. So delete from std up view. std up view where what I'm just want to use, where rn is equal to r is equal to 888. Now see what would be the output. Query is running successfully, but after executing this query, if I try to execute this part, now what would be the output? Let us check. Nothing is to be deleted over here. Why? The same answer, because no information under the std view is meeting to the rn is equal to 20, rn is equal to 888. So this is the point. Why? I'm writing again over here. Why? Okay, this is the point. Uh, in student relation or table, Rn equal to 888 will not be removed because because no Rn equal to 888 is containing by std up view. If it is contained, then the such record will be removed from the actual table as well. Okay, so this is the point. Is it clear to all this point? Why we have not removed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you want to see the actual output? It is being deleted or not? So what we need to do? We need to create or replace the our std table just by allowing our thing. So just I'm using the syntax for explaining purpose. So we have create. We have done the this query, that is a update or replace or update. So where is the query? Let me check. I will copy the entire information and then we will see the new thing. So create or replace. Okay, this query we have, and I'm just using this query. Now create or replace the student up view. Okay, student up view as a select a star from student where rn is equal to 888. Okay, now I'm just executing this query. So after executing this query, my part will be updated of the std view, and I've tried to execute select star from std up view. Now you will see on these two records. Now we are having right now, so there is no issue. Now let us check once again. Let us check once again this table. Select star from student. Let us check. Okay, everything we have right now, and let us execute the above two queries. What we have? We just want to from delete from std up view. So what does this command? What does this command will do? Let me know the answer from your side. It will delete.
Sir, this will erase the view.
No, delete from view. I'm not dropping, I'm not removing the view. This command will delete all the records in a view. Okay, if you are meeting the if you are putting the condition, then it will meeting the criteria. Then we will remove only those tuples, those records which are meeting the criteria. But right now I'm writing only a delete from student up view, and it will delete. It will delete all the records from all the records from std up view. But here really it will delete from the all the tuples from the std view, of course. But let me complete this statement. But it will actually removed remove all the uh, records which will meet rn of std up view rn. So now see, so in the std up view rn, we have only the two tuples which are having the triple eight. So I'm not putting any condition if I executing this query. So after executing this query, now two records updated. So now let us execute the query to see the result. Select again star from std up view. So no record is available here because it will delete the entire record from this site, and it is, since it is a reference, so it will remove the actual information from the main table, that is student table. So let me check this once again. Select star from student. Yes, now triple eight two times we have the record, so those are removed. So this is known as a deletable view. Actually, this view is known as a deletable view. This view is known as a over here deletable view. Okay, so this is known as a deletable view. Now, is it clear to all about the delete, insert, update view? Yes, please tell
Yes, sir.
me. Okay, so since theory is the most important part, but practical is also more important part. So by this view, what we are doing, this is known as the deletable view. So this is the most important part. So as a summary, if I speak over here, then what we have seen in summary, we have seen create a view, we have seen replace a view, we have used insert table view, we have used updatable view by the practically, of course, and we have used a deletable view. So of course we have a deletable view. Now, these are the 5 different concepts so far we have seen. Any doubt here? Please tell me regarding this view practical part.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
So okay, good. So at the last, what we have, we just want to remove the view. Okay. Delete command is used to delete keyword used to remove the records from the table or view, we can say. But we want to remove the view. Then what we have, that is drop. And I can write over here drop, remove or drop the view. And there is simple syntax. What is simple syntax? You can say only the drop view, like a table drop table name. So drop view and view name. So what is the view name we have over here? Here we have the view std up view, std view. Okay, let me remove this one. Please let me know. Should I execute this query right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after executing this query, so table will be the view will be removed, and if I need to check it is available or not, so the simple syntax select star from std up view. Now at the last we are getting the error. There is no such kind of the views available over here. So finally we have removed. Okay, so this is my point.